Let's focus our attention on what? Mass conversion. Mass what? Conversion. Now, it's under conversion factor. Conversion factor is what you use in converting one into the other. Right there. So now when you have a mass can be, now what you know the unit of mass from your secondary school is what? Is gram and kilogram, right? And that 1 kilogram equals to what? 1,000 gram, right? How to get here? Now they told you that if you are converting from gram to kilogram, you must divide by what? 1,000, right? How to get here? And when you convert from kilogram to gram, multiply by what? 1,000, right? Now we are not using that format here. I'm going to teach you on that. I'm going to teach you on that system. I don't know what show on that what system. So yeah, mass can be expressed in what? In gram, in kilogram, in pounds, in tons, and in ounce. These are different ways you can what? Express what, or you can measure what? Mass. Right there. What is mass? Mass is what? Is quantity of matter in a body, right? Right there. Mass is what? Is the quantity of matter in a body. So it can be measured in what? In gram, in kilogram, in tons, in pounds, or in what? In ounce, right? Now, for you to convert from one to the other, you must know their relationship. You must do what? Good. Now, these are the words. These are the relationship that has been what? Established. They are the what? Follow what? Relationship. Yeah. 1 kilogram equals what? 1,000 gram. Are you there? So if you are converting from kilogram to gram, you use this what? You use what? This what? Relationship, right? Now here we have 1 kilogram equals to what? 2.205 pounds. How to go here? So probably you have been giving the mass in pounds, and they say what? Expressing what in kilogram in what? Now here we have 1 ton equals to 2,000 pounds. Yet probably did not ask you what to convert to what to tons when pounds is given to me. Here we now have 1 pound equals to 16 ounces. And here we have 1 bar equals to 453.6 gram. These are the relationship. Now, I know some of you will now be asking, how do we know this relationship, right? At times in the exam, you'll be giving hints. That hint is the relationship is what? Is what? At times you will not be giving. But guess what? If you keep on using it over and over again, it will be used to you, right? I want to go here. So that's why you must practice. That's why you must do what? Practice. Now, let's take the first one. Let's take what the first one. Now, let's say we should convert the following units. We should convert what? 105 gram to what? To pounds. To what? And here, we should convert 20 gram to what? To ounce. How do you do that? Please don't write. Listen to me carefully here. Solution. So, 105 gram to what? To pounds. To what? Good. Now, you are converting from gram to pounds, right? So the first thing you want to ask yourself that, what is the relationship? What is the what? Good. We know that gram and pounds, they have a direct relationship, which is what? 1 pound equals to 452.6 gram, right? What we need to do now is to write it down. So do what? So here we have 1 pound equals to what? 453.6 gram. Is it okay? Please don't write. Please don't write. So after I've known the relationship, you now move to the final step. The final what? The final step, you must arrange such a way that they will cancel out each other. Let me explain to you. Please don't write. Now, please don't write. Now, it's going to be question mark pounds. Why are we putting our question mark here? Because this is what you are looking for. This is what I want. Now become equals to. Now, what are we giving? 105 gram. Right? So now, you're not going to arrange the word in fraction. Numerator and what? Denominator. So you're now going to be 105 gram over what? 1. Over what? 1. How to get here? Then you have, please, I don't want to hear no, just listen to me. Now then I have explained this one like this. This is what you are looking for, right? Equals to this one here over 1. So that we have numerator and what denominator, right? And let's say times, divide. Now, this way I'm not going to use this guy. One must come up, one must come down. Right there? Now, since this gram is already at the top, this guy will come down. They'll be in the opposite direction. They'll be in the opposite what? So now going to be 453.6 gram. This will not come up 1 pound. Right there? Why? Why is it like this? So that gram cancel out gram. Right there? So a gram cancel out gram. This guy cannot come down, so cannot come up. This guy must come. The opposite. Now the same must have opposites. So this guy is already gram. Yeah. If you are using say this one here, this one must come down. So that gram and gram can what? Cancel out, right? So what you have left is not going to be 105 times what? 1 pounds over what? 453.6. Is it clear now? I want to get here. So you have now about 105 pounds over what? 453.6. What will that be the answer? Singular figure to express it as. It's easy. How many singular figures do you have here? How many singular figures do you have here? How many do you have here? Now, 3 and 4, which one is the lowest? So you have to approximate to what of 3 significant figure. To what? Why are you coming now? You know what that called me? It's because you have paid, that's why you remember. Go and take your card. As if you didn't pay, you would have remembered. Right? Are you not the one that paid at church funds? No. Yeah? Okay. Give me your plate. Give me your plate. So, you express the word of 3 significant words. 3 significant. Now, if you have 2 different number, you're going to look at what the lowest significant figure. My lowest significant figure here is what? Is 3, right? Express the word of 3 significant, except it's being stated in the word in the question. I want to go here. Except it's being what? But here it's not stated here. So 0.23 what? For 0.3 1, right? Good. Pounds. Is it clear? It means that 105 gram is equals to 0.231 pounds. That is meaning. That is what? That is the meaning. Are you there? That is the meaning. Please take it down. We are done with this one here. This one is a little bit straightforward. Why is it straightforward? Because we know a direct what relationship, right? Are we together here? There is what? Direct what? There is what? Why? Because they say convert 105 gram to what? To pounds. Now, we have the relationship here. Let's look at this guy here. 20 gram to ounce. 20 gram to what? 20 gram to what? To ounce. Do we have that relationship to ounce? No. That is, for gram, we need to get to somewhere before we move to what? To ounce. Where is that? Right? Now, do you know that from gram, we can move to what? To pounds, right? And for pounds, we can move to what? Ounce. Are we together here? So this one needs 2 different relationships, 2 different words. Are we together here? This one needs what? 2 different words relationship. That is, you know what? Move from gram to what? To pounds. From pounds to what? Ounce. Is it clear? Are we together here? So, what relationship between gram and pounds? We know that 453.6 gram is equal to what? 1 pound, right? Are we together here? So here we can say 453.6 gram equals to what? 1 pounds, right? Are we together? Is it clear? Then, what is the ratio between pounds and ounce? 1 pound equals to what? 16 watts. Is it clear? 1 pound equals to what? 16 watts. Do you guys understand? So here we have 1 pound equals to what? 16 watts. Ohms. Is it clear? Is it clear? Good. Please don't write. So we are not using two of them. We are not using what? Two of them. So here is the goal here. The goal is to convert what? 20 grams to what? To ohms. So now going to be question mark ohms. Question mark what? Ohms. Equals to. Here we have 20 watts. 20 gram over what? Over what? 1. So we have numerator and what? Denominator. Right? Good. I can't use two of them at the same time. I'll never use one before the other one, right? So that will be times. The first one is okay. Over. Now, what will be at the down? What will be at the top? 453.6 will be at the down, right? Then 1 pound will be at the top. So we have so 1 pound, right? 1 pound over what? 453.6 grams. Is it clear? Are we together here? Are we together here? Yes, so that gram and gram what? The only reason why I do like so that gram and gram can cancel like it's okay. Yes. Is it clear? Guys, we are done with this guy. We are done with this guy here. Are we together here? Yes. And let's say times. Now, here we now have pounds at the top. Yeah, which will be at the down? Yeah, which will be at the down? Pounds will be at the down, right? Then ohms will be at the top. So then it's going to be what? 16 watts. Ohms over what? 1 pound, right? Why? So pounds and pounds what? We cancel, right? Is it clear? Okay, some people don't understand. Yes, I'm sitting in their face. Some people don't understand. I'm seeing their face. I will not call your name, but I know you. Let us. I'm not calling your name. No, I'm not calling your name, but I know you. Look at here. You cannot do it one, you fail it. You cannot do it one, you fail it. Can you hear me? Now, you cannot do it one, you must do it straight. You must do it what? Now, 20 grams to what? To ounce. 20 grams to ounce. Question mark ounce, right? Equals to, how to buy here? So that's going to be what? 20 grams over what? Over what? 1, right? Times. You cannot use 2 at the same time. Therefore, use the first one, right? Yeah. So let's say times, divide. Understand that 1 will always be at the top, 1 will always be at the down. Now, gram is already at the top here. That is gram will be at the down here, right? So they can cancel so that they can do what? So that's going to be what? 1 what? Pounds over what? 453.6 gram, right? Times. Remember, gram and gram what to cancel, right? Are we together here? Divide. Move here. Here we have what? 16 watts ohms over what? 1 pound, right? This and this will go out, right? So what do you have here? 20 times what? 16 ohms over what? 453.6. Is it clear now? 20 times 16 ohms is what? 20 times what? 16 ohms is what? 320 ohms, right? Over what? 453.6. What is the answer? 0. What? 0.705, right? Ohms. That is it. What does it mean? It means that 20 gram is equal to what? 0.705 what? Ohms. Is it clear? That is it. No, 25 pounds to what? To ohms, right? 25 pounds to what? To ohms. relationship. 1 plus equals what? 16 ohms, right? Equals to what? Times. Right? Is it clear? Do you guys understand? Equals to what? 25 times 16 ohms is what? 400. Please, you don't have time. Go home and do the rest. It's okay. Go and do the what? Rest. Go and do the rest. Because you have